We are pleased to present second edition of the book, Handbook of Construction Project Planning and Scheduling. The book has been co-authored along with my other colleagues, Dr. Chaitali Basu and Abhijit Rastogi. This book has been published by Kopal Publishing Group. The handbook is developed based on accumulated academic and professional experience of practices in Indian construction industry. The handbook is an effortless reference for new entrants to the field of project management and other management professionals, as well as those who seek a quick reference to the tools and techniques of time management illustrated through examples. The chapters of handbook follow the stages of a typical project life cycle of construction project. This handbook elaborates the relevant interface that may be critical for comprehensive project management. As projects have been an integral part of human history and have facilitated evolution of civilization through the creation of built facilities, this chapter explores the basic concepts related to projects, project management, evolution of project management through the ages, and gives an overview to the current practices in project management. Time management is one of the three components of the iron triangle of project management. This chapter traces the evolution of time management, explores the management practices in Indian construction projects, and skill needs in the Indian construction industry. This chapter defines the approach of construction project life cycle. The chapter elaborates on the scope of time management across each project life cycle stages and defines project management processes.
The chapter studies project stakeholders, their roles and responsibilities in the project, organizational structures, and enterprise environmental factors. This chapter discusses all the processes for planning and scheduling, tools and techniques for planning and scheduling processes that includes CPM, PERT, line of balance, Monte Carlo simulation, critical chain project management, etc. And the prevalent IT tools are discussed in this chapter. Project time monitoring and control forms the second part of the project time management, and it encompasses tracking of project's progress with respect to its planned schedule, evaluation, deviations, and taking proactive and reactive steps for adherence to project schedule and avoiding and minimizing delays and overruns. This chapter discusses the processes, tools and techniques, and IT tools for project time monitoring and control. Technology in construction comes with devising innovative new ways of constructing, and whilst the changing future of construction is largely unknown, new dimensions of planning and management are sought after, such as risk scenario-based scheduling, performance-based indicators, lean project management, Six Sigma project management, and them. This chapter provides an insight into the emerging innovations in project planning and opens a dialogue on how the future of the industry is to be.
The pre-construction phase encompasses all activities in a construction project that occur before construction. The pre-construction stage involves defining the project, goals and scope, identification of potential issues, developing designs, securing permits, planning, scheduling, cost estimation, and gathering the labor and resource requirement. This chapter particularly elaborates the key pre-construction activities and essential for project planning. The Project Management Body of Knowledge, PMBOK, is PMI's foundational standard offering guidelines for achieving project-specific, program-specific, and portfolio management results. The 7th edition presents a shift from process-based project management to principle-based project delivery. This chapter explores the new concepts of project management introduced in PMBOK 7th edition relevant to the construction industry. Initiated 62 years ago, REBA Plan of Work provides a framework for efficient project management, organizes the process of briefing, designing, constructing, and operating buildings into 8 specific stages, and explains the stage outcomes, core tasks, and information exchanges required at each stage. This chapter elaborates on the project strategies as per REBA Plan of Work, including the new core stage, Design to Manufacture.
The chapter on new and innovative methods of construction is dedicated to the technological advancements in the construction sector, including the overview of emerging innovative building materials and technologies. This chapter demystifies the emerging trends of digitization, off-site construction, and introduces the best practices in modern methods of construction. We are hopeful that the students and professionals would find this book very useful in their respective endeavors. We also hope that the work presented in this book will benefit the building users with confidence through construction project management.